Hi there. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a beneficiary onto your Family Tree DNA account. So this is the page you'll see as soon as you log into your Family Tree DNA. And what you're going to want to do is in this upper right corner, you'll see your name and your kit number and a little drop-down arrow. If you click on that drop-down arrow, you'll see a menu pop up and you want to click on the first option that says Account Settings. When you click on that, it'll redirect you to this page. You see you've got a couple different options. You've got contact information, password, and beneficiary information. So beneficiary information is the one we're going to click on. And that will direct you to this screen. Scroll down a little bit and I'll give you a spot to type in a name, phone number. The phone number is optional, and an email address. So the beneficiary information is for the person that you want to take over your account in case you pass away or are unable to access your account personally. This is someone who would be given permission to access your account. Once you're done typing that in, you'll click save and you're all done.